Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, my people. It's your girl, your one and only Pretty Edos TV. Please, my people, I'm back again. Please support my channel. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. You are welcome, all my subscribers. Please, I thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. God bless you for your love. God bless you for your comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Please keep on subscribing. Keep on subscribing. Please, guys, go support your sister. Support your girl. Okay? My YouTube is I am a new YouTuber, Pretty Edos. So my hookup program remains the same. Please go support that program. Support that my channel. As you do so, Almighty God will bless you for your supporting. God will bless you for supporting me. So my people, today I will be talking about my hookup program. So my ladies, I will be talking about my ladies, most ladies, okay? So I have lots of men already. So my sisters, what are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? You need a man in your life. You need a life partner, okay? Not just a man that will be there, a man that will cherish you, a man that will give you all things, not be things of the world, okay? It's not material things. The man that will care for you, the man that will be your backbone, not only material things. No, you don't need to look about. You don't need to look the material things. These days, material things doesn't help friendship. Material things doesn't help marriage, although it helps little. But if love conquer all, love is number one, okay? If love dey between you and your husband, if love dey between you and your partner, so anything your partner put hand, e go dey go well. Anything you ask your partner, e go dey give you, because you dey give am happiness, because you dey give am joy. You know they give am they make am dey sad. They make am dey reason. I dey go house now, I don't know wetin my woman see dey plan. I dey go house now, I don't know, as I just dey go house now, my mind just dey beat. It's not called for my brother, it's not called for my sister. Please just make sure, release your heart. You fall into victim before. We know it's not easy to couple your heart back, but please just do that for yourself, because you need self-care, you need happiness, you need self-happiness, okay? And not your sister cannot give you this happiness. Before you hook up yourself with a man, give yourself peace first and give yourself self-happiness, okay? If not, if you don't love yourself, you don't care for yourself, you cannot give caring to another person. If you don't love yourself, you cannot introduce love. People say this, I love. Do you know the meaning of love? Love is very big thing, but it's easy to say I love you, baby, I love you, honey. But if you want to describe love, you cannot describe it. You cannot even expose. I don't know how we put it, okay? I don't know how we say explain it whereby you will understand it. But it's a pity why some men, they only use love as first thing to deceive ladies. Why lady too, they use love, I love you, they use love to deceive men, because they are pretense, and the way they will say it, their face the way the face will take apply together, you will say na real. My sister, my brother, no be real, and pretend. You want just pretend these things for you. Once una don enter the main marriage, you go come dey pepper you. So be yourself, okay? Please, my ladies, if you want to come my platform to hook up your partner, you don't need to leave yourself for us. Just carry yourself, carry truth come, nothing but truth. If you be woman wey dey harsh, you be the type wey dey harsh, just tell the man, as the man know you, guy, I dey harsh, okay? But if you know my way, you fit cope with me. Only if you no wan know my way. All woman, all ladies get wicked points. Na so all men see be. No man go here come tell you as a woman, you cannot know my wicked points. You cannot know what I like. You cannot know what I don't like. Na lie. You dey deceive yourself. If you really use your heart, want to go that friendship, you want to go that marriage, you go know the wicked points. All men, they get wicked points, as all women get wicked points. Please, you need to know your husband wicked points. You need to know your wife wicked points. You need to know when your wife they happy. You need to know when your wife they aggressive. You know, all those things you need to know. And when you know all those things, and you go know when your wife they sad mood, when they bad mood, you go know. Then you go know the words where you want use for them. You understand? Why some men, they don't know how to approach. Even if they bad mood, you don't want to know how. You don't want to know what you put you for that mood. You don't want to know what happen will make you dey that mood. And just like that, don't to say he marry you. If you can still look at, he not pay. He never marry you properly. He never marry you finish. He never pay he never marry you for traditional. Only I face you, I face you. You face me. Marriage where you marry. Then you want come, you don't know the mood. You don't know whether he na bad call. Now he call now where things where they tell him you know they right. You don't want know on your hours. You just they come for outside. You just tell him, but I beg come go give me food. You don't know this the mood where they more na the reason of those things. Men, no be all men. No be na few men, na some men. Na so you see be for women. Na some women. No be all men, no be all women, okay? 50-50. Na so life be. Some good, some not good. Me not dey analyze my topic one side. No, I dey put am for the two sides. Please, if you want to come here and hook up your partner, please come with your truth. Come with your real age. Don't control your age because it cannot help you. By the time you dey 50 years, you can't dey tell that woman say na 40 years you dey. It dey your face, my sister. It dey your face, my brother. Please say the truth. Only truth can set you free. You don't need to hide anything for your partner. Only what you need to keep because of time to time. Because they say if they play, they don't know. Say they will quarrel. Your past friendship, you don't need to tell any man. You as a man, your past friendship don't need to tell any woman, because by the time the woman don't they dance to that the same thing, you can't they use them against them. You as a man, the same thing. Please just forget your past. You are now present. Now made they say past is a past. Present now. You both una don't na present things. None of one start now. Present friendship. So past need to wipe away and do accordingly and say things. I don't like so things. I like so thing. It's okay. It's okay. Don't go too far. Okay? Please do that. It will help you. It will help you for this your new friendship, for this your new hookup. It will help you. Not everything you see in your past friendship you want to tell your man, because if you don't want him to do the same thing to you, okay? I'm sorry, guys. If you don't want it to do the same thing, just let bygone be bygone and let go. Okay? Not they remember and not come they use that one. Wetin Peter don't fair do you. Now you don't know Gabriel. You want come they use the thing, come they worry Gabriel. No be Gabriel do you now. Peter don't go. Free your heart and use your real heart to follow Gabriel. Gabriel go do pass, he go do things, he go make everything dey okay more than Peter. Peter no be all men no be the same. Some men they arrogant, while some men not they arrogant. The way they take train no be the same way they take treat the other person. So depend of who want learn. Many women they watch all the different platforms they go, but they don't want pick sense. They don't want learn anything. You understand? For me, I'm not here to bring anybody down. I'm not here to gossip you, or maybe you can't call me, you can't confide in me now. Please, see. I can't dey narrate you, or I can't dey, no, I'm not like that. Okay? I'm here to talk about friendship and to couple friendship together. I mean, nothing wey they never see before. If your friendship don't crash, your marriage crash before, at first say you still get time, you are a young lady, you want to remarry, you can still remarry, but now you need to couple yourself. You need to present yourself well to that man. Not just come with the same way what happened to you before. You need to change you need to package well. Don't package with lie. Package with your reserve. Okay? Please, it will help you. It will help you, my sister. My brother, nobody will never fail go bad friendship or good friendship. Some people they good friendship before. Unto say their pride, their arrogance, then they see that girl as a bad girl. The girl, they leave the girl. Then the one way if you say you go for her, you go come pepper her. Now go come, you know, go fit cry. So if you have good woman, hold it well. Good thing don't come easily. Only bad thing, now they fly around. Bad thing, now they carry around. Good thing, just good thing. Anywhere good thing for the happen, you know they quit the fool. Things not they quit the happen there. Where bad thing for the happen, now there things for the happen. Now there, now people like. Where good things they people not too they like am. Except say the good people wey no good thing, now they like them. Okay, please support your sister, Pretty Edos. I'm here to give you the best. I am a new YouTuber. I will be there. Not look the way I take day now. Okay? Not look the way I take day now. Sumo. I just dey come. Okay? It's not easy. I just dey come. I will put you through, and I go make sure say I go pray to Almighty God. May God use me to give you a better man. A man where he go feel your pain, where you dey pain. Man where go feel free for you, where you go feel free for. No be the man where if he get wife, my brother, you don't need to come here. You don't need to come here. Here is not made for you. If you get husband, my sister, you don't need to come here. You can watch me. You can pick some things I say, but you don't need to call me, please, I want to hook up, or blah, blah, blah. No, you don't need to do that, because Almighty God will not like it. You as a man, please, people where you need to hook up here, either your marriage, you know, work out well, or you never feel married, you want better wife, or you don't feel born, you want the woman not there. Now you go come here for. No be say you get wife for Germany, you get wife for France. You want come see get wife for here. No, it's not dey possible. I don't need that for my platform. And my platform here, I get rules. My rule, before I hook up you, before I give you the picture, before I give you the data of the person, and I will see tell you now, you are the woman. If you be the man wey confess, now the woman first confess, you now need to do test before una start. Una go get test. You understand? Because you don't know where that man waka go. You don't know where that woman waka go. It's for your own good. It's for your future. Because you have many future ahead you. You have life, abi? Because nobody know. I don't know you. You don't know me. Now we want to know ourselves. Please, you need to do that for yourself. So if you want to hook up here, you must do test. If now you go that man's house as a woman, you go that man's house, or many people get daughter, take the girl to your daughter and run test. You understand? I go run test before you come out for the before una start to dey do anything, because this my platform na Christian platform. You know, just carry dey do anything anyhow, because if I don't do e no favor you now. Relax, take a chippy, okay? Girl, relax yourself and listen to wise people. Don't just carry do things like that. You no fair do test for your former friendship. Now God save you for that one. But now another person wey you never know before, no one come jam now. You need to do test and know the standards. You know wetin dey, so that if you know, so that anything can happen along the line, you go know where problem for the come. Am I not right? Because of say I say when you do test, you can't dey run for my platform. You can't dey run say. You can't dey run for my platform. You can't dey run for my platform. Say abeg, Pretty those wey dey ask of test, wey dey talk say you no need to give me the test. I don't ask you to give me the test. Now you and your partner, now it concern. Okay, mama, I don't do everything they were supposed to. But Ben, okay, you are blessed. Finish. Okay, please. Only that I need for you. By the time God don't use me to give you a wonderful wife and a wonderful man, you know what to do for Printy Edos. Okay, I don't task you. I don't task, because life. Now you know what you want to support Printy Edos. When God don't use me to give you a wonderful wife and a wonderful man. So keep supporting your sister, Printy Edos. Go and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Printy Edos TV. Do that for me. Do that for your girl. Okay? Please come with truth. If you have 2 children before, tell the lady, I have 2. You as a lady, if you have 3 children before, as far as say you are young, you want to remarry, you can still tell the woman, or you can still tell the man, I have 3 children, but they are not with me, or they live in Africa before I came down to Europe. Just like that. Love, you know reason all those things say you don't born. Now the pikin you want marry, or maybe the woman you want go for. So now love not the reason. Now so you don't feel born. Now wetin you want to, if you did this, if you want to call for this platform, if you never feel marry, you see need woman will never see marry, because now your choice. No be my choice. But I'm still telling you, say if you see one woman wey don't marry, you never see marry. Now see your choice. Nobody can choose for you. But wetin me want fit, wetin me as a woman, as a experience, wetin me need to tell you, say don't come because of beauty. Don't marry because of, not marry woman because she's cute and she everything you want, everything I want in a woman, she have it. No, you go pepper you. No, you don't need to do that. Fine, just take and come up for your marriage or your friendship. Wetin you need to this talk. May God give you the right woman. May God give you the right woman, and may God give you a woman where they respect man, a woman where they fear God. Now only that one, now you go the talk of. No be say about I dey find woman where carry from, woman where carry back. No, e no go help you, my sister. E no go help you, my brother. Please, not dey find man where carry chest, man where tall, man where do that one. No, what you go dey pray for? Man wey go dey there for me, man wey go take off my responsibility, man wey go love my children when I go give am, man wey go appreciate me, man wey go love me for wetin I be, for who I am. I fine, I not fine, he go take me. Now that one you need to do. And that one you need to pray for. You don't need to pray for a man wey isabiyan, man wey isabi jogodo, man wey woman wey sabi play. If you can't fit the play for bed, You no come fit dey play for the character. You no come fit dey cook, dey put food for your table. How you wan come take cope? For this Europe now, you can't go take house girl, you can't go dey buy fast food. You can't go dey buy McDonald's, or you can't go dey buy kebab. How long? So woman wey get material no be only all material. You know, I know say no fit your get all material, you no understand. Bad side go see dey, but first see respect. You go respect, you go know how to respect, and you go know how to cook. Your stomach is very important. Okay? Your stomach, even for that bed hole, that bed side, now wetin any woman can learn at any time. If woman no know am, if you as a man you sabi am, you go make the woman learn. If you want to learn that one, almost you must learn it, because now wetin you need to learn, now wetin you need to do for a home, make a home take stand, for example. But for food though, you as a man no fit just teach am. Now you want go work, now you want come teach am. But for that bedside, you will fit teach am. My sister, if na lie dey lie, I want see your comment. If you watch this video, for comment section, please drop your comment for this particular place when I analyze now. If na lie, I need your comment. You as a man, we want to watch this video. This thing when I talk for here now. If na lie, I need your comment for this video. You know, I need your comment, because nothing where woman no feel learn. I fast say na bed. If you say na here, I fast say na you want position now, you go feel learn now. But for cooking, for respect, no be everywhere you want to go. Now you want to say me fair greet your friend, me fair greet your mama, me fair. No. Please, my ladies, don't be deceived don't be carried away by beating, by muzzle, or by doing things on the man's bed, on your bed. No. You don't need to carry away. All men nowadays, they know how to play. All women nowadays, they know how to play. Even if they don't know how to play. But if one side know how to play, the other one don't know. The one that know will teach who don't know. But you as a woman, if you don't know how to do the house chores, the man cannot teach you everything about it. You see, please go and learn, especially the cooking side. If you don't know how to cook, because we know all ladies, many, they know how to cook, but they cook past each other. It's not what you know, I know. Okay? So the thing you know, you need to present it. When you need to present, if you come this hookup program, and if you don't hook up your life partner, this way your mama teach you, the good one, you need to present it. Okay? You don't everybody get bad side. I know if you tell you now say me. I know if you tell you now say me not get bad side though. Everybody get bad side, okay? So let the good side good pass the bad side, so that any man will come your way, if he cope with you. Any woman will come your way, if he cope with you. If you let the ugly side good pass the bad side, the good side is not today okay. The good side later good pass the bad side. The good side now you go come use and take cope with you. Nobody is not their body. The man is their body, the woman is their body. But when I want come together now, when I come they talk one thing. For the first time, it's not easy. But along the line, I first say you be man wey dey patient, you be woman wey dey patient. You say you love. If love go with patience, if you don't patient, meaning you don't love. If you love your wife or you love your partner, anything where if they do where you not dey right, you will feel taken. Then, excuse me guys, you come dey teach am the one where you want me it throw away. You come dey tell am say this one throw away for dustbin, this one throw away for dustbin. Okay, so my brothers and sisters, now wetin I come me I dey tell una for here. So this my program, this my YouTube, e dey go many things dey happen for here. I dey create awareness for here. Okay, anything wey dey pass for streets wey I wan fit take affect my platform, I go see bring am here. Friendship, marriage, anything na im dey come, na im wan dey enter this YouTube for here. No be for trouble. I no dey insult. Please don't insult me or comment section below. Please don't do that. Okay, we are adults. If you don't like my program, no problem. You don't need to drop insult for me. Okay, as you waka come, if you not see like am, you see waka go. You no be problem. Who see like me, e go see stay. Okay, e no mean say na everybody. I no fit please everybody. I just need to come. I will give you the best. Okay, trust me. You don't ever see where they lay foundation today. They will just finish the foundation. They will just be the house finished today. No, now step by step. Okay, now those way if you patient for marriage, now go feel see understand me. Okay, now those way you not care. Me I take my own, me I go. Me I take my own, me I go. Now you not feel understand me. If you want learn, you need to start from somewhere. And you where they made mistake, you know when they learn with, you know when they use people who say they learn, and you know when they use people advice say they learn, it go hard you. You know why it go hard you? No, because you don't want to learn. Your pride, it will not make you to learn. You will fall for many problems. Not only problem, many friendship. Now you go they enter, you go they come out. You go they enter, you go they come out. You think say na the men, they use the men. Now the men they use you because now your body, now you they use. Men you know they do anything. Men fit show themselves for Facebook or anywhere, but woman now shame they. Men shame not they. So my sister, no feel say you they jump here, they jump here, they jump here. Now the men take the pepper. You are just peppering yourself. You are peppering your body. Okay, be yourself. Okay, position yourself well. If you want to go out with a man, the way you present yourself, it matter a lot. It is the first thing, the first dating, the first, as you no one go out for the first time, the way you take position, the way you take present yourself, and so the man want to take you, and so the man want to see who you they go, you they talk blah, you not present yourself well. What till they not ask you, they talk on. What till you happen for your village, native ability, you they tell the man. You will say, okay, now these people. Okay, so don't do what I do what I say. Not everything I say you will do. Now your opinion, now my opinion, you have your opinion, but I believe say my opinion where I they give, I know say yes. Now it's sense day for my opinion. So now wetin I don't see around. Now wetin I dey see with my eye. Now wetin I don't witness with people. Hook up. Many platforms they do hook up. You understand? Me, I not feel they do hook up for this YouTube, Facebook, but normal ground. I dey talk always. I felt they introduce friends to men. They go marry, they go born, they go date together. Till tomorrow, till father notice, they see date together. No be everything person will come they talk. You know, I don't want the shots. I no be a willow. Okay. I don't want to talk too much. Who go like me. I don't feel on they use. I don't feel on they curse my brother. I don't feel on they curse my sister. No. I come my own. I open my YouTube. Me I create awareness. I don't want to use people. I don't want to curse people. Take do my awareness. Okay? Things when I want to talk about marriages and things wey say they happen. After the thing, I see am, people see say e happen, I fit bring am to my people notice. I will still tell my people. Na my opinion now will still give my people, make dem see talk put, make dem see contribute. You know, your opinion, it can help that person. My opinion can help that person. That is why I'm here, to gather my brothers and sisters, to be one family, to one big family. Okay, please, don't carry yourself, you are gorgeous, you are a big girl, you know. Don't stay yourself with, you don't wear white clothes, you wan come use oil to stay yourself. You don't wear fine clothes, you don't pee yarn for ground, you wan come put sansan for your yarn. Your friend, so my friend dey do am, must you do the same? My friend dey friend two guys, must you do the same? No, be yourself. So please, when you come across this video, give this video a thumbs up, like this video and share to your friends, share to your Facebook, to your WhatsApp, please. Okay, support this channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you do that, Almighty God will bless you. God bless you for your time. Thanks for watching. You are blessed. Please support your sister Pretty Edos, aka Ide Your Body, Ide My Body. Might be my nickname. Remember, Ide My Body, Ide Your Body. Okay, bye bye from now.